Hello everyone. Today in this video I will teach you how you can copy your Instagram profile link or you can share your profile to your friends and family members. So for that you need to make sure your Instagram is fully up to date. Now you just need to open your Instagram and from here you will find your Instagram profile. So you will find this option called share profile. You just need to tap here once and then this page will pop up. So this is a QR code. So if you want to share your profile to someone else, just open this page and ask your friend to scan your QR code. So ask your friend to open this exact page and tap this button and scan your code. So this is the first method. And if you want to copy your Instagram link, then you will see this option called copy link. Tap here, the link is now copied, and then share it to your friends and family, and or you can share to anyone you want. So yeah, that's how you copy your Instagram link and share your Instagram profile. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks.